Hello there. My name is Páll and I am a landscape photographer in Iceland. From 2013 I've been doing photo tours and workshops and mostly small groups, one person up to 4, maybe 6 persons. And this year I am starting in July because of you know what. And July is almost fully booked. I'm happy about that. And whenever you are ready to travel, I'm ready for you. So my website is pálljökull.com. There you can find all the information about my workshops and my tours. Well, Iceland, most of you know a little bit about my country. It's an island in the North Atlantic. It is pretty rugged most of the time. In summer you get daylight almost 24 hours in the middle of the summer, but in the winter the daylight is maybe just 5 hours. You can expect rain in the summer or even in the winter also. You can expect wind, you can expect cold, not that warm, maybe 15 degrees in the summer is a good temperature. So if you care to check out my tours, you can check them out at www.pálljökull.com. So I've been working with a friend of mine for the last couple of years. His name is Arjan Wilmsen. He is a photographer from Holland and he loves the Nordic countries. He's been to Iceland a few times and to the Faroe Islands, to Finland, to Norway, and we are working together on a few workshops, so you can check them out on my website and on his website. One of them is East Iceland, one of them is North Iceland, and one of them is South Iceland. They're all 5 to 7 days long and small groups. 4 to 6 people, and we will help you with your photography, your videography. If you have a drone, you can bring that, and yeah, maybe I'm forgetting something, but Arjan, you have some more points to add to this.
Yeah, you guys have no idea how much I'm looking forward to start using this one again out on the road in the Nordics. So yeah, Páll, thank you very much for your introduction. And yeah, I think you pretty much nailed what it is that we are about to do again. Finally getting out there again and doing workshops after being inactive for what, like a year or something, for very obvious reasons. And you know, no need to go into detail about that. The world has come to a standstill, and yeah, we hadn't had a lot of activity, none actually, on the workshop front. But we believe and feel that it is time to slowly start getting out there again and putting out some tours and promoting them. So that is what this video is about. And there's one thing you forgot to mention, Páll. We're also taking you guys on a trip to the Faroe Islands and to Lofoten in Norway. So that's 2 different countries and 2 extra workshops. And yeah, as Páll pretty much explained very well, it's just going to be like a week on the road with Páll and myself out in the nature, exploring iconic places, photographing them, and helping you along with your photography and video stuff, setting-wise, and talking composition, and also planning, preparing your trips, and a little bit of editing your footage as well. So we're gonna cover like pretty much the whole spectrum whilst we are out on the road, and we will have a good time. Mainly, that is the focus of our trips. It's like, you know, talking photography and having a nice time being out in the field, enjoying the countries and the locations we are in. Yeah, and I'm super stoked to finally get out there again and meet all of you on our workshops. And yeah, you should definitely check out the links that are in this video and take a look at the tours that we offer. Take a look at our photos that we post on our social media, on our website, things like that. That means a lot to us. And that's it for now. Hope to see you on one of our workshops. Thank you very much. Bye.